In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to plan your day with Asana. We're going to walk through a simple routine you can repeat every morning to get focused and stay on track. Asana is a great tool for organizing your work, but its real power shows when you build a quick, consistent habit around it. By the end, you'll have a clear list of what you're doing today and a calm plan for moving through it. Start by opening Asana in your browser or the desktop app and sign in if needed. When you land on the homepage, take a second to make sure you're in the correct workspace. This matters if you collaborate across different teams or clients. Think of Asana as your command center for the day. You'll come back here as a single source of truth instead of juggling notes or scattered reminders. Next, open the project you're actively working on. Projects are containers for related tasks, like a marketing campaign, a product sprint, or your personal admin. Use the sidebar or search to find it. Opening the project gives you context, what's already planned, what's in progress, and what might be due soon. Skimming the project also helps you spot anything urgent that should make it onto today's plan. Now click on My Tasks. This is your personal dashboard that aggregates every task assigned to you across all projects. It's the best place to plan your day because you see everything in one view. If your list looks long, don't worry. We're about to narrow it down. You can switch to the view you prefer, like list or board, but the key is staying in My Tasks. So today's plan is anchored to your own responsibilities. Head to the Do Today section. Within My Tasks, this section is your short list for the day, the few things you actually intend to complete. Keeping this tight is essential. A focused list reduces decision fatigue and helps you enter deep work more easily. If you already see tasks here, quickly confirm they still belong. If something isn't realistic for today, move it out so the list remains achievable. Finally, add your today task. Click to create a new task and give it a clear, action-driven title, like Draft Q2 Update, instead of something vague. Set the due date to today, assign it to yourself if needed, and add a brief description or subtasks so future you knows exactly what done looks like. Tag or link it to the relevant project for traceability. Keep your today list to a handful of meaningful wins, and as you work, check tasks off to maintain momentum. That's your daily plan streamlined in Asana.